Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to download and install Apache NetBeans IDE 12 in Linux and Ubuntu. Let's get started. Open your favorite web browser and download Apache NetBeans IDE from this website. Click on this download link, then click on distribution. Scroll down. Click on NetBeans. Okay, now select the version. Copy this link address, or you can download the portable version, this zip archive version. Now open a new terminal and navigate to download folder. Now use this command to download NetBeans IDE. Paste the link. Now hit enter. I have downloaded NetBeans IDE already in my machine. Okay. Now ensure that you have installed JDK in your system. You can test it with this command. Okay, JVM is installed in my system. Okay, now install Apache NetBeans IDE. Just use this command with sudo privilege. Now enter your password. If you don't have installed JDK or JVM in your system, please install it before starting installation of Apache NetBeans IDE. Okay, this installer will install the NetBeans IDE with the following packages and runtimes. Click Customize to select the packages and runtimes to install. Okay, now click on OK. Now these four packages and runtimes will be installed in your system. Now click on Next to continue installation. Now read the following license agreement carefully and accept the terms in the license agreement. Then click on Next. Now choose the installation folder, add JDK. You can change this folder, browse, and you can install it on home folder. Okay, now click on OK. Now select the JDK version from this drop down list. Okay, now click on next to continue. You can uncheck this for updates and click on install to start the installation. And this will take some time to extracting and installing these four packages in your system. Now completing Apache NetBeans IDE installation. This will take some time for validation, and you will see a directory created in your home directory with the name of IDE and version NetBeans 12. In this stage, this will take more time to completing Apache NetBeans IDE installation. Installation completed successfully. Now click on finish and launch NetBeans IDE. At the first startup, this will may take more time to load